So in Monday's video, we talked about a key resistance area for the Euro USD at 109.60, and so far today's high is 109.65. So in today's video, I'll show you where I think the Euro is headed following today's reversal, and also the latest on the DXY. All right, so looking at the Euro USD daily time frame, this is what we talked about yesterday, how we had a area of buy-side liquidity up here following these highs from late August. So you can clearly see how 109.30 has been a pivot for the Euro ever since August, and these highs right here through this area created buy-side liquidity above that. Now, markets seek liquidity, and so it's no surprise to see the Euro take out these highs from back here, sweep that liquidity, and then reverse. So this is exactly what I mentioned in Monday's video. Okay, so just 24 hours ago, we were looking at 109.60 was the level I mentioned to keep an eye on because of the fib confluence that it built up there, and also that was right there in that buy-side liquidity. So we got the sweep there at 109.65, so 5 pips above the level that I told you guys to watch for a reversal, and so far we're seeing the Euro come off of that high. Now, here's what's going to be key though, and this is very important. So far, we have not had a daily close back below 109.30. So if this is our key level right back here, then we need a daily close below this in order to confirm that this up here is a fake out and to send the market lower. Now, we also have these highs, okay, right back here, just below the current price. So these are all things to consider here because you can bet that there are going to be buyers defending this area right down here around 108.44 and also these highs up here around 108.80. Okay, so really the close below 109.30 would just be the first step here. The second step would be to close back below these lows here to confirm that this up here is the fake out and send the market lower. And then of course we have 108.44, the level that I mentioned last week as a key support level, and we never did see the Euro close below that. Now let's take a look at the weekly time frame, but before we do, I am running a Black Friday sale through the end of November for 70% off lifetime access to our VIP group, and the new course launches next month. So I have a new course coming out that's going to detail exactly how I trade, including a new trading system that you guys have never seen before. It deals with the 1 hour time frame, liquidity sweeps on the 1 hour time frame. I've backtested the system on the Euro USD going back a year, and it's performed incredibly well. So right around the 8% a month return, and drawdowns are right around 4 to 5%. So very low drawdowns and some very healthy returns. So once again, the course is going to detail exactly how to trade that system, and that does launch next month. So see the link at the top of this video, guys, or the description of this video for a link directly to the Black Friday sale that I'm running right now for 70% off lifetime access to our VIP group. Okay, so let's take a look here at the weekly time frame. And this is why I told you guys yesterday that I had no interest in buying the Euro up here because we were seeing a lot of sell-side liquidity down here from the breakout candle last week. Okay, so obviously we have a big green candle. We talk about this a lot, right? A big green candle like this tends to get at least partially filled. Well, so far this week, we have not seen much of a fill at all. Okay, so that alone leads me to believe that we could get a pullback here from the Euro, potentially down here toward 108.44, maybe the sell side inefficiency down here below 108. We'll see how that goes though. Just keep in mind that 108.44 is going to be support on the way down. And you can see where the Euro is actually finding support here at the weekly open as well, because right now it is break even on the week. Okay, so we'll see how this plays out. There's still more work for sellers to do to really force a reversal here from the Euro, but so far, based on yesterday's video, 109.60, today's high is 109.65. That is a pretty decent short right there if you did take it. Okay, now let's take a look at the DXY, and this is what I mentioned yesterday as well. This is also why I was looking for a potential reversal from the Euro, because the DXY was testing its yearly open at 103.50. So yearly opens like this tend to trigger reversals from the market. And we saw the DXY dip just below that right here into this pocket that I mentioned in Monday's video between 103 and 103.50. So we got the reversal so far, decent little move here. However, once again, the market has not closed the day. So a daily close back above 103.50 is going to be critical for the DXY, in the same way that a close below 109.30 is going to be critical for the Euro USD. And you can even see right now where the market is starting to come off of these highs. Okay, so this is going to be important to watch into today's close. There is no confirmed reversal just yet for the DXY, the same thing goes for the euro. So keep that in mind. However, if we do get a confirmed reversal, whether it be today or next week, the areas that you're going to want to watch are these lows right back here, 104.40, and also that 105 area. So we have not seen a retest of this area up here, and we know that based on this big red candle, this up here above these recent highs, this is a buy side inefficiency, all right, also known as an imbalance, and these tend to get filled. So even if we don't see a reversal today, even if we see something like this, right, over the coming days and weeks, if we do get that relief from the DXY from this area down here, then I would expect to see a fill, okay, a retracement of this area up here around 105. All right, that doesn't mean that it will happen, but that is something that I would be looking for just based on the liquidity profile here of the DXY so far. Okay, so flipping back to the euro, just to wrap up, once again, a close below 109.30 is going to be key to confirm the reversal. All right, so close below this level. The further down, the better. If it closes right below this level, that's not a confirmed breakdown. You need something convincing down here in this area to really confirm that this up here is a reversal for the euro. And also keep in mind too, 108.80, this area here, also 108.40, these lows down here are both going to be support for the euro. So very tight trading conditions right now. So you do have to be careful. Plus we're coming up on a US holiday on Thursday, and things will probably be quiet on Friday as well. Okay, so all things to keep in mind, but I wanted to update you guys considering that the market did come right there into that buy side liquidity that I mentioned. And so far we are seeing a decent reversal, although sellers still have more work to do. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope it helped. Once again, if you guys want 70% off lifetime access to our VIP group to get daily videos, exclusive charts, see my trades in real time, and also get the course that launches next month, see the link in the description of this video. Trade well this week, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.